You know how toddlers always have that one favorite thing that they carry around? It's usually an animal or it's a blanket. Well, genius. I think one of the appeals when they carry a blanket around is this satiny type edge. You'll notice that babies and toddlers like to rub this little satin area, and so I think that's why sometimes they carry around blankets. So what we're going to do today is we're going to monogram Emma, the name Emma, on this little satin heart on this very whimsical little unicorn. So whenever you are monogramming on satin, you may want to consider using a ballpoint needle and maybe a 65-9, a very small, one of the smallest needles that we have in the industry is a 65-9 needle, and also ballpoint, because that does the least amount of damage. And so when you're dealing with satin, you probably want to use a smaller ballpoint needle. So what I'm hooping it with is I'm using some 3-ounce cutaway, and I'm using my 12 centimeter or 4-inch hoop. I'm definitely going to hoop it upside down because that's the best way to get it onto the machine. Embroider Buddy makes it so easy for us as embroiderers to get things hooped. How fast was that? It's so quick and easy to monogram their items. All right, so I'm going to put this onto the machine. What I decided to do was I decided to match this blue. It's a gorgeous blue on the eye of the unicorn, and the best match I found from Madeira was 1977 blue. So we're going to get it on and let's trace it out and get it going. So it's real easy to line up. I just have my laser mark, the center mark, right on the V of the heart, so it makes it very simple. So I'm just going to trace it out to make sure, yes, it's going to sew right at the top of the heart. You know, a lot of times customers, when they come to shop, whether it's online or in your store, they have a price in their head that they want to spend. So you want to have lots of different options for them. Some people walk in, they want to spend $25. Some people walk in, they want to spend $50. So you want to have lots of different options for lots of different gifts. This, if you become a retailer, you could sell this unicorn for approximately $20, and maybe you would charge $15 for the monogram. So $35 is a very popular number, a price that someone may want to spend on a gift. So let's get this going. And there we have it. This is such a great quality because you know when it becomes their favorite, it has to be washed over and over and over again. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be Emma's favorite.